Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for tuning in to Umnkosi Nophilile. Ungakhohlwa ku subscribe the channel. Mangaba ka subscribe ke ulike video, share video. Please mangaba ba advert qhamuka ke, please allow them to run. Ungawa skip as it does help a lot. So kule video guys, bekumele ngiyenze izolo even though I'm a little bit late ngayo ke kodwa ngizoyenza bafethu. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ke ngobhuti Felix Hlophe, the one who's on Gagasi FM. Kunesikhathi lapho kwathiwa ke ubhuti ke uzimisela ukuthatha isithembu. He is married to Tracy Hlophe. They've been married for 6 years? Yes, they were having their 6-year anniversary. Okay, so na story bengithi ngizosenza ngisengiyasikhohlwa ke bafethu uFelix Hlophe and uTracy, they were celebrating their 6th anniversary, something like that. Sikhuluma ke ngodaba lokuthi uFelix, I think it was last year if I'm not lying, wake watrenda ubhuti kuthiwa ke uthatha isithembu, uTracy uzokwelanywa, something like that, ngusisi okuthiwa uAyanda Bhengu, something like that. Wayetrenda ugeli singamasa siqala ukumbona ke kuthiwa ke ilona ozoba unkosikazi wesibili kabhuti uFelix Hlophe. Now osesithombeni, right, something like that. Wabuye wathi no bengidlala ngale ndaba yesithembu, wabuye wathi no ngathi iqiniso, something like that. Kwasekucaca ke kodwa ukuthi ibiqiniso indaba yakhe yesithembu. So ke na okuqhamuka izolo ukuthi bekuyile anniversary yakhe no Tracy, right. Kwasekuvela futhi nokuthi yena lo nkosikazi wesibili thizeni akakathatha mhlawumbe usazolotshola bese khuluma imindeni bese ikhulumisene whatever was happening there bafethu. Kodwa ke ugirl ngathi ke useyazikhipha ke kuFelix Hlophe ngathi akasafuni, kune dramening yama message amaningi akuvelile ka ngathi WhatsApp chat between uFelix Hlophe no Ayanda Bhengu. Ngapha ke kuthiwa ngathi allegedly uTracy naye she was cheating on uFelix Hlophe. Abantu bethi hayibo ubhuti Felix ngathi he's going through a lot, ngathi uyagoyisha bakithi unkosikazi wakhe yakuchithela ngoba nawe ngapha umchithele wayofuna isithembu ntontoni ngapha ugirl umamncane naye ngapha ngathi useya exita ngapha unkosikazi uyachitha kuningi. I was like kuningi, like I can't even put the story together. I was like okay, even this Ayanda girl is even mentioning kuFelix Hlophe mabe busy kuchat yabo bekhuluma uthi uzosola mina because ngathi uFelix Hlophe uthi ngathi awusanginaki usuyajola kuchat yabo le kade bekhuluma bafethu. Ngcono siyeke phela mangabe mhlawumbe ubona ukuthi awukhoni, mina ngibusy ngamalungiselelo kokushada ngapha wena uyangiziba mhlawumbe nomunye umuntu ntontontoni. Ayanda waphendula wathi hayibo wasungathi ufuna ukusola mina ukuthi ngiyakuchithela ekubeni lento yenzeka under your nose, of which ubechaza ukuthi uTracy uyayenza nje under your nose, she's cheating on you under your nose, yet wena you are suspecting mina ngingapha, something like that bafethu. Abantu basebethi kanti uTracy nje ubhuti zami ebhizi zami isithembu ngapha ugeli nayo bezamela sakhe isithembu. It's a lot kuningi bafethu. Angazi istory sika Felix Hlophe bafethu ke kodwa yena ke nenkosikazi wakhe uTracy bebe celebrate 6 years of being married. Kanti ke umamncane uthi exit, that was a mamncane to be. Angiboni ukuthi bese lotsholiwe bafethu. I think bekusenziwa amalungiselelo ke ubese introducewe kuTracy. Siyakhumbula kwakuthiwa ke uFelix Hlophe uhappy ukuthi uTracy finally accepted into yakhe le yesithembu. Kusho wayengakavumi wagcine sevumile ke siphumela ngaphandle nje bekuthiwa ugirl usevumile ukuthi hayi ubaba ngasithatha ke isithembu. Sabona sithombe thizeni uTracy enaye lo Ayanda behleli ndawonye ntontoni into yabo ukuthi mamkhulu mamncane yabona leyo nto. Sathi so kusho ukuthi ogirl bobabili bebevele sebesazana sebevumeleni. So Ayanda was someone who's known by Tracy, usekwi family vele sokumele mhlambe nje ubhuti Felix Hlophe ayenze into zakhona yabo kube nje unkosikazi oqala nonkosikazi wesibili, something of sort, you know. Manje mamncane uya exita lana kwi-chat le, mina ngizomane ngilahlele ku screen lento ekhona la ku chat because there's a whole lot of chat bekhwelezelana kuningi akusinto engingayifunda ngiyiqede. Okay, asibone yaqala ke ubethe love, do you still love me? Waphendula leyo wangaphendula kwaba nama missed voice call ngathi nguFelix Hlophe ke lo ezama what, you are not picking up my calls, not responding to my texts. Wasephendula girl what, my phones are on silent, something like that. Kwasekuba nendende conversation engeke ngiyifunde bafethu. Let me just try by all means ukuthi ngiyifunde. Okay, asithi before sifunda le conversation kune story besithe, well, it appears ukuthi uFelix Hlophe is shattered after Ayanda's exit. Not only, but we are also learning ukuthi uTracy allegedly had an affair. Could this be the reason she was so calm in accepting wife number 2? But kuningi, right? Ukuthi mhlambe uTracy accepta nje wife number 2, was it because akanandaba noma mncane ngoba uyazi nayo nobaba omncane on the side? Okay, i-conversation yakhona angeke ngifunde yonke bafethu, this is just a whole lot. Ayanda, then she said love, and then what, do you still love me? Okay, wangaphendula wabuye wafona, and then was said, you are not picking up my calls, not responding to my texts. Okay, wathi my phones are on silent. Was said, I'm not happy. Okay, wathi bengi busy, the phones is on the charger. And then was said, Felix, you are behaving like a cheating woman. Then was a pin like you are jacking 2 guys. Something tells me you didn't even sleep at home last night. Okay, waphendula nge-emoji ethi ha wabuye wathi ngibe ngisekhaya kwimanje ngiyasuka manje, taking abazali to bluff. Wathi ke uFelix, also I feel like you don't care how I feel. Ugirl wathi, I had to get the boys ready and something like that. Nami ngokunjalo, I also have to get ready. What yo, and then Felix wati, look how I relate to you with great care. If I suspect even that there is something wrong with you, I jump quickly to make sure that you are okay. Okay, what, are you okay? Uputi wati, do you feel the same way for me? Like if ngingekho right emoyeni, don't you feel you will stop everything and make me feel okay, or anandaba nje? Gelwa ngaphendula wabhala ethi ubhuti, ufike manje ekuseni like you do umakade ukumina, that's why you couldn't pick up my calls. Ugela said, what is wrong with you bakithi? It's unfortunate ukuthi the car tracker ayisebenzi, bengizothi check the car ukuthi ikephi-ke. Wabuye ugela wathi, why would you even conclude into ekanje ukuthi mhlambe isola ukuthi like ubuye ekuseni uyacheata, So uFelix wathi, it's because kubuhlungu Ayanda wathi, yini ebuhlungu, make me understand. Into ejwayele ukwenzeka nje. Ubhuti wathi, ngapha ngibhizi ngamalungiselelo amalobola, ngapha angimtholi loyo muntu ocingweni lukhala lungabanjwa. And then ugirl wasethi ke, where would you call ungangithinti whatever, ngixolise ngitshele that my phone was on silent. I think uthi ngiye ngaxolisa ngakutshela ukuthi ifone yami was on silent, right? Wabuza ke ulona wathi, having second thoughts? Lona wathi, are you having second thoughts? Lo wathi, angazi. Lo said, it's clear, please don't make Felix Law, please don't make me do something foolish when you know very well ukuthi it's not what you want. Okay, wangaphendula wabhala yedwa wathi, we can just cancel it maku ukuthi awazi. Okay, waphendula ngo okay. Wasethi ubhuti, you are saying okay, we should cancel. Wathi, yes. If that is the case, then please, can your family please give me a reply to the letter? Okay, what okay. Ubhuti wathi, cool. The way you just don't care, ingizisa ubuhlungu obukhulu kakhulu. Then ugelo wathi, my peace and sanity comes first. Ubhuti wathi, okay. And then ugelo wathi, I think you knew ukuthi you were gonna switch up on me. Felix wathi, how Ayanda, when you know very well ukuthi how much I love you. Then so you are saying you're okay, we should cancel. Ugelo wathi, yes. Then Felix wathi, if that is the case, then please, can your family please give me a reply? So I think I was going again. Then you had it all planned, so you are gonna make it seem as if imina obenenkinga. Ubhuti wathi, I can't even stay away from you. Why put this on me? Really, why go through all the trouble? Ugelo wathi, ungazongisola ngento engekho ekubeni, you are okay with not seeing me for isikhathi eside, bese uzoyeka lo who is doing it right under your nose ukhona. Felix wathi, angisazi-ke, okay Ayanda, bese phelele ngamagama. I wonder what is it that I ever did to you to make you hate me. Ayanda wasemphendula ke ama-message amaningi wathi, mina hate you? The same person who got you a gift on your birthday, the same person ohlezi ezehlisa to you nakuTracy, noma ke ngizizwa ukuthi I feel like sekudlalwa ngami. Mina kungaki I call you, you don't pick up my calls. I send a WhatsApp and you blue tick me, but kaze ngiye to the extreme of ukukusola that you are with someone else. Nami ngokunjalo awuqala ukungangitholi, because even if I'm at work it happens, ngibuye ngixolise nje, I do get back to you. Hayi ukuthi ngibuyele, something like that. Wasethi ubhutiza, okay, so when I'm weak, why don't you take time to soothe me? Oh, I guys, like this is just a long chat. I mean, I can't read all this. It's just a conversation between uFelix no Ayanda, umamncane loyo. So okay, angeke ayisebenzanga into yabo. I think it's over between the two of them. Conversation engeke like ngiye kuyo yonke because omunye you don't care about me. Omunye you know what? It's just a long chat. When am I going to finish this one? Ngeke bafethu kubonakala ngathi ke iphelile indaba ichat ekugcineni laphana ke kuthiwa this has been haunting me all night. I have not slept a week. I've had a long time to think about it. As much as I love you, I feel like a loser having to love someone who has moved on and whose heart belongs to another person. Ubhuti ngathi unesikhwele nguyobhala. I've decided to do the same and also move on with my life. Felix Loyo, please can you facilitate this so that both our families can have a closure? I don't think you are a bad person. I just feel that this relationship has drained you so much and you have no love to give anymore. I recognize my part in it. I hope you recognize your part in it too. Too much involvement of your mother and all advice and ill advice she gave. I'll always love you. I hope whoever leaves you also has a kind, maybe whoever loves you, who also has a kind heart and a kind consideration for your kids too. I'll always be that weak and foolish guy who just wanted to start a family with you. That's all I ever wanted, just to marry you and to love you for the rest of your life. Perhaps it's foolish and weak, but I'm choosing to see all the signs you've told me enough times ukuthi uyangikhulula and let us break up, and that's it. It's not working for you. I choose to love you and ignore, but now I choose to listen. It hurts, but I deserve to be loved too. Yes, I was betrayed, but maybe it's on Sabelo Sam Leso and my cross to carry for the rest of my life. Felix wafetu bale in the end, I will miss you dearly, and that's your response. Ugel uvele wathi okay kuyo yonke leya chat ngathi iBhayibheli. Ugel wathi okay, that's your response nje ukuthi okay, and that's the value of the impact I've had in your life. Just okay, please advise how we gonna proceed so we can close this chapter amicably. In terms of the car and your cousin's things at the house, then you can block me after that. So kumele athathe manje imoto nayo yonke into bafowethu. I do not know. Ugel wathi ngicela ukuzwa ngawe. I think umbali ngizombuza manje. Wathi okay cool, ungadlali nje ngami. I was ready to marry you. You are just tired. I'm just no longer special to you. For what reason? I've just chosen to listen to you. We fought so many battles and won. You gave up at the last 10, but that's okay too. Felix, you guys, I can't read all that. No, he's writing a lot of things. It's a drama between uFelix Hlophe and unkosikazi omncane ogcine engasashadiwe. It's a lot kuningi bafethu. Umshado wakhe awusaphumelelanga, yet he was celebrating the 6th anniversary. Not Tracy. May he keep Tracy and stop gcwala everywhere else. Ezamana nesithembu esingasebenzi. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Just leave it alone, my brother. Ayisebenzi. Ubani? Who's the name of the girl again, bafethu? I've been talking too much, hey? Akasafuni girl, she's tired, she's bored, maybe she's seen someone better, you know what I mean? Now we move on. Nonkosikazi ugcineni you've got a family, man. Yonke lento yasithembu ithembu ezingacaci for me nje. Just leave it alone. Mayingasebenza isebenzi. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe, share, sengikhathelile ama message angishayisa ikhanda. It's just a whole lot of messages, guys. I'll meet you again in my next upload. Bye.